My name is Hunter Goodtime. I am the leather craftsman here at Jack Rivet in Columbia, Missouri. All of our leather is sourced from Wickett and Craig, a world premier vegetable tannery found right here in the United States. From a full hide, we first map out and square off a section of leather that I cut into strips. These blanks are what I use to create a variety of belts that are rich in color, soft to the touch, yet strong enough to get any job done. After I die cut both ends of the blank belt, I use a custom Jack Rivet stamp to imprint the sizing on the inside of each individual belt, giving it a stylized touch. Continuing with the design of the belt, I dye and burnish the edges. The burnishing process further enhances the appearance of the belt by sealing the edges, preventing fraying, and increasing durability. You are left with a product that is both polished and professional. After I finish burnishing the edges, then comes the stitching. And while not all belts go through this process, I find the double stitch design on the Wagner belt offers a little extra character. That extra attention to detail creates a statement piece that I have the honor in knowing there's a customer out there showcasing my work with pride and maybe a stitch of bravado. All the leather goods I produce here come from full grain, veg-tanned, English bridle leather from U.S. steers, giving you, the consumer, a 100% American-made product at a cost the everyday worker can afford.